English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Crime, decrease, government. Crime. Crime is a noun. B1 learners usually know crime. A crime is an action that breaks the law. Here are some examples. He is guilty of the crime. It's a crime to take things from a shop without paying. Crimes are committed every day of the week. Decrease. Decrease is a verb. B1 learners usually know decrease. To decrease is to make smaller or less. Here are some examples. Their numbers decrease every year. The sale of cars decreased over the 10 months. The population in the village has decreased a lot. Government. Government is a noun. B1 learners usually know government. The government is the group of people who make laws for a country. Here are some examples. The government holds elections every 4 years. What kind of government do you want to have in future? In many countries, there is a democratic form of government. Now write some of your own sentences with crime, decrease, and government. Download the free B1 workbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.